Hello dear students, another method is known as surgical method. Surgical method basically related to the male and female both. In the case of male, whenever their vas differentias are ligated or cut by the doctors, this term is related to the vasectomy. And the female, when their fallopian tube is cut by the doctors, this is related to the tubectomy. The whole things are present in NCERT with the help of the diagrammatic representation. In next part, now we are going to start another important topic which is known as amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? Question is that rise. Basically, the amniocentesis is a procedure which is related to the prenatal diagnostic test. What is the procedure of the amniocentesis? According to the Zoom class or the diagrammatic representations, the procedure is, first of all, with the help of the surgical syringe, we will take the amniotic fluid from the womb of the particular female. In this fluid, there are different types of vital cells are present which play a very important role to detect the different types of disorders which are present in the fetus. And we will culture them into the vitro. Vitro means artificially we will culture them. And then there is a process which is known as karyotyping is done. Karyotyping means whenever the chromosomes are arranged to check out the disorders. This is known as karyotyping process. In this process, we will observe the different types of things. First is known as chromosomal abnormalities. We know that human beings have 23 pair of chromosomes or 46 in number. If in the case of the 21 chromosomes, if the additional copy is also present in this chromosome, then the 21 chromosome is converted into the 22 chromosomes. It means this is known as a trisomy. And this trisomy is a type of disease which is known as Down syndrome. And this is responsible for the type of chromosomal abnormality. So in this way, with the help of the amniocentesis process, we can easily detect the chromosomal disorders. But many doctors or the many quacks, they misuse the amniocentesis process in the case of sex determination. We know that if the doctor have tendency to detect the chromosomes, obviously they are also able to detect the sex chromosomes. We know that two types of chromosomes are present in each and every human being. They are related to the male and female. Whenever these chromosomes are XX, they are known as female. They are responsible for female, and whenever they are XY, then they are responsible for the male. If they detect by the particular doctor or the quacks, then they are able to recognize the sex of the particular fetus. So this is amniocentesis is being misused to kill the normal female fetuses. It means the sex determination is basically responsible for the female infanticide. That's why in India the sex ratio is very poor. In 1000 boys there are 934 girls only, or 934 women are only. Especially in Haryana, the sex ratio is very less than 800 or approx the 800. So these are the misuse. These are the evil things related to the amniocentesis process. In next video, we will discuss the STDs, sexual transmitted disease, and MTPs, medical termination pregnancy.